everyone, welcome again to Study Web Marketing. I'm Nikhil, your instructor, and today we are going to discuss Google Analytics key concepts. This session will cover key concepts in hit, session, users, new versus returning users, and source attribution for marketing analytics. Now let's start with the lowest level data type available, which is a hit. Hit essentially is every user interaction with your app or website which is recorded by Google Analytics. Some of the most common hit types are page views, events, screen views for app, timings can be for both web and app, social interactions, exception handling, and transactions. Let's move on to sessions. Sessions in data hierarchy are above hits, and every hit is part of a session. Session starts with launch of the app or web and ends if there is no activity for 30 minutes. All sessions also end at midnight. So let's take an example. Let's say a user launched your website at 12 noon, clicked on play video at 12:10. He navigated to page second at 12:29 and he submitted a form at 1300 hours, which basically means that there was a gap of 31 minutes between third action and last action. So as per session definition, every session ends after inactivity of 30 minutes. So the last known activity for this particular user was at 12:29, and at 12:59 that session ended, and the form submission which happened at 1300 hours will be part of second session. While first three events, page viewed 1, page viewed 2, and click on video, will be part of first session because there is no gap of 30 minutes between these sessions. Now this flow will result into one user and two sessions. Now let's move on and take some more examples on session. Now let's consider that user launched your website and first page was viewed at 1300 hours. He clicked on play video button at 13:29, which is under 30 minutes, so session continued for another 30 minutes. Page 2 was viewed at 13:58, which is 29 minutes from the second action, which is again under 30 minutes, so no 30 minutes of inactivity and session is continued. And fourth action, which is form submission, happened at 14:27, which is again under 30 minutes, 29 minutes from the last known action. So this session essentially, which started at 1300 hours, will last till 14:27 because there is no 30 minutes of inactivity during any of these actions and will result in one user and one session. Now let's take one more example. Let's take an example where page 1 was viewed and website was launched at 2300 hours and 40 minutes. The same user clicked on a menu after 5 minutes, which means the session got continued. The same user clicked on viewed page 2 at 23:55, which means session continued again because the third action was 10 minutes from second action and no 30 minutes of inactivity here, so session continued here. A fourth action happened at 00 hours and 3 minutes, so 3 minutes past midnight. Now, although this action happened only 8 minutes after last known action, and there is no 30 minutes of inactivity between these two actions, but as per session definition, every session ends at 12 midnight, and so this will result in one user and two sessions.